To other news now, Donald Trump has another 4 years as President of the United States of America. His first day will be January 20, but already concern over immigration has become a talking point. Romardo Lyons has our story.
If Trump is in power again, there's going to be a lot of craziness. It's going to be a circus, but not a good kind. Not a good kind. And we can only hope that doesn't happen again.
But it has. Donald Trump heads to the White House once again.
Frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country and maybe beyond.
Jamaican teacher Philippa Harley, who entered the country through legal channels, did this interview with TVJ News in New York back in September, 2 months before the elections. Even with her legal status, this was her concern.
My issue with that is that he wouldn't be differentiating in the immigrants that he's referring to, legal or illegal. You know, he's just going to make a sweeping change.
At that time, she said several Jamaicans were saying Mr. Trump would have been their pick.
For the Jamaicans that I've spoken to, most of them want to vote for Trump because they say most of the males want to vote for Trump because they say that they're able to make more money when he's in power, which is really weird for me because to me, there's no huge difference.
Now, after the results, I spoke with several Jamaicans in America who said they gave Kamala Harris their vote.
For me personally and my family, we just have to wait, and continue pushing for progress. When I saw the numbers last night, shocked, turn the television off because that could not be true, could not be happening.
I did support her. She did her best. Unfortunately, I don't know if everybody went in and voted.
While campaigning, Trump promised the biggest mass deportation of undocumented migrants in U.S. history.
That is a tough one. For all the things and what you have said and what you have said he's gonna do as for immigrants and everything, I don't even know how to answer that.
I posed this question to Erwin Clare, managing director of the New York-based Caribbean Migrant Services, early October.
Since the campaigning would have started, a lot of talk is being made about immigrants.
Yes.
Would you say that Jamaicans living in the U.S. now should be worried?
His response?
If you think Project 25 is a reality, then yes, you should be.
Mr. Clare said he believed most Jamaicans have secured themselves in a position where there is recourse.
And I say recourse, I mean opportunities for them to do different things. But in general, we are not unlike any other immigrant group in this country that are concerned about some of the wordings of some of those persons who aspire for higher office.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.